Hi, this is Kina Kim with PivotalDiscovery.com, and today we're here at the ARMA Silicon Valley 2010 Spring Seminar, The Changing Face of Communication. Julie Pierce has kindly joined us, and she's going to share some of her thoughts on social networking and the implications with regard to employment law. Julie, thanks for joining us.
Thank you. I'm thrilled to be here. Social media issues arise in all aspects of employment. So from the very beginning, the recruitment process, all the way through the termination process. So with the recruiting process, there are issues involved with employers looking at Facebook pages and looking at information that's on the internet and finding things about people that you wouldn't normally be able to find out in an interview process. There are laws that govern what you can and can't ask. And if you find, for example, someone's national origin or their sexual orientation or their religion, and it's something that you couldn't normally ask and it's a protected category, and you make an employment decision based on that, the same discrimination laws that would apply if you found out the information in another way apply to that as well. So people have to be careful, especially about the reliability of the information. If somebody posts that Fred made a fraudulent workers' comp claim, does that mean that's something you can rely on? Well, who knows if that's an accurate statement. So I think it's pretty tough for employers to rely on the information.
Suggest that they filter, and if so, how should they filter? Because information found on the internet can be very, efficient and reduce the costs of doing background checks and investigating prospective employees. So what are your recommendations, Julie?
Well, for me personally, I recommend that people do not go online. The laws just are not clear yet, other than the traditional laws of discrimination and harassment and those sorts of things. But there really isn't a lot of law right now at this point governing that sort of activity. So I just think it's safest to do it the old-fashioned way, get information from people through the interview process, because the laws that govern background checks, for example, there's still laws that would come into play.
Julie, thanks for joining us.
Thank you.